everyone, it's Kelly J, Joli Visage Skincare founder and esthetician for 24 years. We offer tips and tricks from our day spa in Southern California, Joli Day Spa, and we bring tutorials to you to teach you how to achieve results at home. And I am sharing a device today that I'm very passionate about, and I want to show you how to use it. You'll receive it in a cute little case like this, and it has what's called smart technology. So if you're new to this channel, please like and subscribe, and get notifications when we upload new content. And if you have any questions in regards to your skin or any information in the tutorial, just write a little message in the comment below and I'd be glad to get back with you. Okay, so let's get started. Let me tell you a little bit about this really amazing device. It's silicone grade, it's food grade silicone. So it's made so beautifully, and it's so easy to wash and wipe down. It has what's called smart technology, and so it's really fun, just really easy to use and fun to use. To charge the battery, you'll just take this magnetic end here, and you'll just place it. It won't go in if it's placed the wrong way, as I just did. So I turned it and it snaps right on. So it has a magnetic charger, and then you just plug in the, plug it in, and this will charge within 4 hours. And the charge time is really great. It's about 1 hour. So you can use this during the week and only have to charge it one time a week. So it's charged up, and I want to show you. The setting that you would start, and you would start your cleansing on. For the sake of time, I'm going to do a cleansing tutorial with the device as a second part to this tutorial, but this is really jumping into wanting to show you the modalities that I would love for you to use to start achieving results in your skin. Not that cleansing isn't one of them, because cleansing is. I just happen to have some makeup on, and I thought I would just show you a little bit about how to use the LED and the sonic wave. Okay, so you'll hit the button in the middle of the device, and immediately it will go into vibration. So what I like to do is I like to add a little bit of turmeric oil to my skin, and I only have, when I said makeup, I only have mascara on, so little eyeshadow. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to apply the turmeric serum to the skin, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use the sonic wave. This sonic wave feels very relaxing, and it has 15 RPMs per second. So it's really getting that energy in the skin. And as I use it in the different parts of my face, I work in an upward motion. You can see I also do my facial movements with it. So I'm doing circular motion around my neck. You can feel the vibration. It's very relaxing to the skin. Very relaxing. And then I'm going to work in an upward motion, circular motion around the lips, back and forth, across the lips, and I'm going to use a push-up motion with the vibration to really, oh, I forgot to take my tag off, a really nice circular upward motion with the vibration. That is so like me, to put on a sweater and not take the tag off. For those of you that know me, I do very quirky things. Okay, so I'm working the head of the sonic device in an upward motion to create movement, to create a lift, and also just get that blood flow and that sonic, that wonderful sonic technology that works on creating blood flow, removes toxins. You can see I'm working it around my eye area, the orbital area, and I'm actually going to work it very slowly, because what I'm finding is that I'm getting a nice lymphatic drain around the under eyes where I do suffer from puffiness. So I work that very slowly, and I find that that sonic movement really tightens my under eye area. And then I will go into my forehead. I accidentally turned it off. I'll go into my forehead, and I'm going to do an upward movement. Now I want to show you a little trick that I found that works really well with this device. This device is just so fantastic. It's really a great, it's a great device, all-in-one device to travel with really great results. Okay, so what I want to show you is I'm going to do a little eye lift. I'm going to place the device and let it vibrate in the upper part of my eyelid. I'm going to use the edge. You might be able to tell I'm using the very edge of the device here to push. I'm actually using that portion of the device, the edge, to hold that upper lid in place, the eyebrow. And I'm giving myself a nice little lift, holding it for at least 5 seconds. This is how I've really been able to achieve some nice lifting in my eyes. And then go ahead and do the sides as well. I keep hitting that off button. Do the sides of your where you would get the crow's feet, where you want to work on that and get that vibration and that little bit of lift, pushing with the side of the disc here, pushing it upwards. Okay, I'm going to do this side. You can really see that it does a beautiful job of lifting. And I'm continuing to see results in my upper eyelids. Getting a nice result. Okay, now I'm going to go in and I want to show you how to use that side. Again, using the side of the paddle, using that sound wave and really working it in to my 11s, and I'm just kind of spreading out the pass, just rotating it, I guess you'd say. And then I'm going to go straight up to push, to loosen up those muscles, loosening them up so that my brows are raised. That's just a really important thing that we can do to really open up the eyes. So you don't have to worry about doing it too much or too little. You'll know when you're ready to move on to the next modality. I feel like I am. The neck would be a really important one to use the side of the paddle as well, lifting up those neck bands, breaking up the fascia, getting the circulation, smoothing out the fascia, which ends in a result of having a smoother neck. Now I'm going to go to the next modality, and the next modality I absolutely love, and this is why I say it's such an amazing tool. I'm going in with the LED. The LED reaches 640 nanometers. So the LED is also, oh, It's working on the skin to brighten, to help with hyperpigmentation. I'm working it slowly. What the beauty of this modality is that the pad is heating up to 42 degrees. A perfect warmth to really open up the pores, and to really get that moisture deep into the skin. You can feel it. It's very relaxing. So we're getting the LED, the benefits of the collagen stimulation from the LED, which is just a fabulous way to treat the skin. And then we're also getting that warmth to really work it into deep layers for deeper moisturization. I've been using this device now for a month since we launched, and I've been seeing benefits each day I'm using it, and it's just such an easy tool to use. Okay. And then hold it under the eyes. Really get that LED to work under the eyes. Warm up the skin tissue. It's a professional way of treating the skin. At the spa, we use two to work on the skin. And I think I skipped over the most important part of cleansing, because I told you that I was going to do a second part to this tutorial, and I want to show you how to do a deep cleanse. All right, my skin feels really, really moist. It feels tightened. So pleased with it. I'll go in and hold it in certain areas I really want to see collagen stimulation. I'll hold. When you're on LED, you don't have the vibration. The vibration is separate, and then you just click at the top here, and you've got your LED with the warmth of 42 degrees. Now, if you were going to do a deep cleanse, let me go back to that setting, and it would be the middle setting here, and you would just apply your cleanser, just a little drop to the middle of the pad. Add some moisture, water to your face, and just start using a circular motion in an upward circular motion. That I will do a separate tutorial on it. I'm sure you can figure that part out, but I'll do a second tutorial to go with this one. But anyways, that's the cleanse. And then when you're done cleansing, just turn it off and rinse the head with warm water and let it dry out. But now I want to skip ahead, and I want to go to blue light. Now remember, blue light is calming, and it also is, blue light is calming, and then the head ends up going to a cold setting. So we're going to get a lot of cold. We're going to close the pore. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go in with a little vitamin C serum, Superior C serum, and I'm just going to run the cryotherapy. I call this cryotherapy because the paddle gets so cold, and we're going to close those pores, and we're going to calm the skin. This is really an amazing tool for clients that have hyperpigmentation and they want to brighten their skin. It's really great for acneic clients because the blue light calms the skin, and the cold really closes the pore and disinfects the skin. So the blue light LED is so beneficial. Just like the red LED, having the The warmth, the 42 degrees, the cold feels like very refreshing, and it feels very, very much like it tightens the skin. So that concludes the tutorial on how to use this amazing little high quality device. So you've got your cleansing pad, you've got your sonic side with the sonic vibration and ultrasound waves, and then you've got your blue light and your red light. The blue light has the cold setting LED, and the red light has the warm setting that really helps with penetrating ingredients into the skin. So as you can see, I really love the silicone LED professional tool, and we really hope that you enjoy using it as well. And I will link another tutorial on the deep cleanse with this beautiful tool. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.